like this. Now, sometimes it'll be really hard, be really stiff, but don't worry, you're not going to break it. Just to unalign it and then take it out. Now, we can see a lot of build up in there. We can see the build up around the burr there, which just needs a brush out. So to loosen it, I'm going to get a little brush. The Sage machine comes with a little brush like this, just to start to loosen everything up, and it's nice size that you can get inside there, really get to work. I tend to prefer this one. This one is a brush from Amazer. If you're using a Mazer grinder, I guess it comes with that. And then I'm going to get the vacuum again. We'll give it a blast with that.